Are you ready to know how to start a partnership business? This is a broad topic that deserves proper attention. Partnerships, most of the time, are undervalued and they are an incredible weapon to exponentially grow your business and even start a business with the money if you have a good idea to share with someone else. When I started my online business in 2008, I embraced the partnership business model because I didn't have any knowledge and experience to share with an audience, but an intense desire to put into practice my marketing strategies that I was learning daily. Most probably, I'm going to share with you an entire playlist about how to establish partnerships, deals, communications, and so on. This is why, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on to be notified every time I upload a new daily video. If you like this type of content, tap on the like button as well, and thank you. In this video, I want to share with you 3 aspects of a partnership that you absolutely need to understand. Number 1, the basics but crucial concepts about a partnership. Number 2, why you should consider seriously creating partnerships. And number 3, practical examples of partnerships that I have established in my career in order to expand your mind on how to start a partnership business. So, what the is a partnership? A partnership is a commercial agreement between 2 or more people. For instance, number 1, you and another company. Number 2, you as a marketing manager that decides to invest in an author to help him create his personal brand, for instance. And number 3, you as the middleman who unifies 2 or more companies to create a special offer, product, or service for a client. Clients are essential in a partnership, like the main characters that establish the partnership itself. Indeed, the main goal is always to satisfy the client's needs. Do not forget it. Just to give you some ideas, by establishing a partnership, you create profits from nothing and sometimes at 0 costs or at the minimum costs. Indeed, you can offer products or services to the client's list of your partner, for example. You can sponsor products or services of your partner to your client's database. You can create a business from scratch and start selling new products and services, as I did multiple times in my 12-year experience in marketing. Bear with me till the end of this video and I'll share with you some real examples. Based on what I've just shared, you can think of a partnership as a special deal that you can establish to: number 1, grow your business; number 2, grow the business of someone else and split profits based on the sales related to the specific partnership; and number 3, create a new business from scratch and sell products and services to existing clients or attract new clients from scratch. The possibilities are endless once you have mastered this way of thinking. By expanding your mind, you will be able to see new business opportunities that you couldn't have seen before. Let's continue our conversation. Let's suppose you already have a business and consider establishing a partnership to scale your company to the next level. Keep in mind this important mindset that you absolutely have to master if you want to close a partnership agreement. Thanks to a partnership, your business will grow internally first. I mean, say, number 1, you increase your gross revenue and, most importantly, your net profit. Since you don't have to pay in advance for the client acquisition, the amount of sales produced thanks to the partnership is free of cost. You have only the product cost, but if you sell digital information, your product cost is 0. Keep in mind these 2 words: pure profit. Secondly, you are getting new clients for your company at 0 costs. And thirdly, after the partnership, you can sell additional products or services to these new clients. By doing so, you have just increased the lifetime value of your client. I mean, say, the amount of money a single client can invest in your company. At the same time, your business can grow externally for three specific reasons. Number one, you're giving your brand more exposure. Number two, thanks to this exposure, you can establish new partnerships with someone else. And number three, if you create a partnership with someone that is more famous than you instantly gain more credibility. Indeed, keep in mind that there are only three ways to improve your revenue. Number one, focus on increasing the number of your clients. Number two, increase the price of the products or services you are currently selling. And number three, introduce other products or services in order to increase the lifetime value of a client. With that said, let me give you some examples just to give you a clear idea of partnerships that I have personally done in the last 12 years. The first one I want to mention is the most crucial and important. I did this partnership at the beginning of my career as a marketing strategist. I didn't have any clients, I wasn't anyone in the online world, I had no experience in the field and little money to invest. I knew how to fix a problem that most info marketers had in creating video tutorials. My idea was to help marketers use Camtasia's video screen recording software. You can find lots of video tutorials on my YouTube channel in Italian language. Most of them has been created with this software. 13 years ago, it wasn't so popular, especially in Italy, and no one could understand how to use this software properly to create video tutorials. After creating a complete step-by-step tutorial, I established a partnership with my first Italian mentor and we split profits. He launched my online course to his mailing list of clients and potential customers, and we sold 54 copies at €97 each and split profits. Easy to understand. Then I created another video course on how to build a website using WordPress, that is a tool that is still fundamental today to create websites, landing pages, membership areas, and so on. What I did is very easy to understand. I searched on Google these key phrases. How to create a website with WordPress. Create a website. How to install WordPress. How to use WordPress. I filtered the results and I was looking for blogs that were speaking about this topic, but at the same time, they didn't sell any online courses on WordPress. I was in the perfect condition to establish a partnership with these websites. Indeed, they had the ideal target audience I was looking for in order to sell my online course. What I did was very simple. I asked the website owners to put some banners in different pages on their blog to attract people's attention. People could subscribe to my mailing list by getting something valuable for free in order to test my teaching abilities before buying my complete course. When someone bought the course, I paid my partners a 40% commission for each sale. In this specific case, since I was selling the course at the price of €97, my partners got almost €40 without doing anything. It was a nice deal for both of us. The last partnership I want to mention is a little more complicated, but it was highly profitable. In 2009, I wanted to test my marketing strategies in as many fields as possible to get an experience. I went to my drum teacher, Christian Colusso, and I made him a proposal to develop his personal brand online, starting from scratch by creating online courses to help people learn how to play drums. This was my first crucial big partnership. We closed a deal to invest our time, money, and abilities to create different online courses, websites, membership areas, and so on. We decided to split profits 50%. We created 4 main online courses that we are still selling today after 12 years. Christian became the first and most important expert to teach people how to play drums in Italy. In this specific case, thanks to this partnership, we crafted together a solid brand. But it was just the beginning. Indeed, we established partnerships to increase sales with targeted blogs and websites, as I previously mentioned with my online course on WordPress. Then we decided to establish different partnerships with famous brands to sell electronic drums to our clients for a special price. As you can deduce, partnerships are a great way to increase your actual business or to start a new business with someone trustable, as I did with Christian. In the next videos, I want to dig deep about partnership deals and how to build these strategic partnerships. That's it. If you find the information I shared valuable, or if you think this information can help other people, feel free to share this video with anyone you want, because it's a pleasure for me. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and turn the notification on to be notified every time I upload a new daily video. If you like this type of content, tap on the like button as well. And let me know your point of view by leaving a comment below this video. Keep in touch in the next episode.